Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about my new device, Zhiyun Smooth 4. Let me give you a backstory of this device. Using this device, you can make your smartphone as a professional camera and take your videos to the next level. If you're a YouTube vlogger or making videos for Facebook or Instagram, this device is very helpful. With this device, you don't have to carry no bags or heavy cameras or kits. This video is only for unboxing of my Zhiyun Smooth 4. So let's get started. Hey Aladdin, where is my device? So here it is, my Zhiyun Smooth 4. Aladdin, your magic still works. Before unboxing, you all are curious to know the price of the Zhiyun Smooth 4. It's available in two colors, black and white. The price for black one is $119 US and for the white one is $20 extra and it's gonna be around $140 US. I want to save my money, so I went for black one. So let's unbox the Zhiyun Smooth 4. It's very well packed in a foam box and it came with a quick start booklet. So here's the booklet, quick start guide. Pop it and let's open the foam case. Woo! That's amazing. This is tripod, this is cable for charging, and this is the Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal. This box is very helpful and you can carry it along and it's very safe to keep your gimbal inside. This is quick start guide, warranty terms, certificate of quality. Let me tell you how to assemble gimbal with the tripod. So here it is, gimbal 4. So here is the unboxing of my Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.